Hey everyone! I get this question all the time. What should you do if your thread is visible between the beads when crocheting? Let's talk about how to fix it. Here's an example where we can see the thread between the beads. Honestly, it's not a total disaster and the result is still pretty good. But let's be real, it could be better. This was crocheted using Toho round 15 beads with a 30-weight thread. Now, 30-weight thread is fantastic for 11 beads and you can find it in my Etsy shop. But for smaller beads, it's not always ideal. So what's the best fix? A thinner thread. In this second example, you can see the result is so much better because I switched to 50-weight thread. The thread type is exactly the same, polyester, non-slip, perfect for bead crochet, but it's just thinner. And in both cases, I use 0.5mm crochet hook. 11 beads, use 30-weight thread. Myokidelica or 15 beads, use 50-weight thread. The thread can be polyester or cotton, just make sure it's non-slip. Hook size? Anywhere between 0.5mm and 1mm. If your thread is showing too much, first switch to a thinner thread. If that doesn't work, check your hook size. You might need a smaller one. Hope this helps? Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss more beading tips. See you next time. Bye!